Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese bread pizza in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients like your favorite bread, pizza sauce, and plenty of cheese. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. While it preheats, you can lightly toast your bread if you prefer a crispier base. This quick prep ensures a perfect pizza every time. Now it's time to assemble your mini pizzas. Take each slice of bread and spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly across the surface. Next, add any toppings you like, making sure they are thinly sliced so they cook thoroughly. Finally, top each bread pizza generously with about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't be shy with the cheese. Carefully place 1 or 2 of your assembled cheese bread pizzas into the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them, as cooking times can vary slightly between air fryer models. You're looking for beautifully melted, golden brown cheese and a perfectly crispy crust. This step is quick and easy. Once your cheese bread pizzas are perfectly cooked, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. They will be hot, so let them cool for 1 to 2 minutes before taking that first delicious bite. For an extra touch, you can garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Enjoy your quick, easy, and incredibly tasty homemade air fryer cheese bread pizza.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.